Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a little practice project. I actually experienced no drama. Yay me. And I chose this pattern because I wanted something simple, fun to do, and also give me a boatload of practice, which is what I need. I'm starting to get feedback on my videos and some good advice on different things that I can do differently. And the nice thing about that is this: I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just trying to figure it out by the seat of my pants. And having said that, I welcome any tips, tricks, things that the more experienced SARs can offer me. Please do. That's why I'm on here. That's why I'm doing these videos. I want to learn. I'm learning by watching myself. I see things that I wouldn't normally see while I'm actually cutting, and I want to learn from those who've been down this road for a lot longer than I have. And so I'm appreciating the feedback I am getting. Now, I've never done letters like this before, and it was challenging. And if you look close, you can see how awful it was, but I didn't care because it looks great when you look at it from a distance. But yeah, I'm definitely going to do this pattern again because I've gotten some good tips from a viewer, and I want to implement that with this pattern. The reason I don't do patterns like this too often is because they force me to be crafty. And what I mean by that is I have to put it together, and this type of pattern looks much better complete when it's been given some colors and painting and that kind of thing. Yeah, I don't mind doing that, but I don't quite enjoy it as much as I do the actual cutouts. And because of that, I have several projects that I cut out and I have never put a finish on them yet. As you may have noticed in previous videos where you only see just a cutout fresh off the saw. Pretty sure that this is the first video where I actually did complete it. I did stack cut this, so one's plain and the other one is finished, and I was very happy with how it turned out. And again, thank you so much for your feedback. Thank you for watching. I'm always willing to try something new and different, especially from those that have a lot more experience than myself. Since I really didn't have no major issues or drama, as I call it, with this particular pattern, there are a lot of things I'm going to do differently when I do this one again. The pieces are going to be a lot smaller. I have a difficult time maneuvering larger pieces on the saw. While I will record this same pattern when I do it again, I'm not sure I'll be uploading it, but if I do, it's going to point out some of the major differences in what I've learned in regards to the advice I was given on my last video. Had this project not already been cut out and videoed, I would have applied that advice to this pattern. And the reason why I want to do another one of this back to back is because I'm already familiar with the cutout of this pattern. There's no newness to it. I'm going to be able to apply some really good tips that I feel will make this cutting experience much better. Some of the information this person gave me made sense. I understood it, and I'm like, okay, I get it. So I can't wait to apply it to this pattern. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it. I do put a video out once a week on Saturday, most of the time in the morning, but sometimes later in the day. It all depends on how much editing I do have to do. But I do appreciate each and every one of you for watching and supporting my channel. If you can like my video, that would help me out a lot. Take care, and God bless.